Come for me blood clot mother again. Come for me dead mother again. Come when my mother dey alive, if she never dey fuck blood clot, everybody. And your mother fuck you, Rose Jakes, and every blood clot body. I where you want to go? Dirty sour Rose. Wait, I'm going to come. Call my mother name again. Call my mother name again. A sour no blood clot. Drummer Road. Sour blood clot, dirty blood clot Rose. Let me tell you this. You have one more chance again for disrespect my mother. After that, I'm going to bring her down to the ground. I run mother joke. You're workless and careless. Because you're weak, you know. You talk about people, mother and pitney. You're feeling insecure about your fat, sour blood clot self. Suck your mama. Boy, you're not playing a side chick or you're blood clot. Kill up yourself. Hey, Rose, let me tell you this in a big old blood.
Me case and send back my money. Send back my money. More my money today. Put them more my money. Send me money. No, you should have sent my money before you send me the voice note here. You should have sent back me money before you send me the voice note here. Come on, you know where you feel. Send me back my money, no big man. Or you have my money, you argue with me. Don't send me that way. I'm not gonna argue with you. Send me back my money, please. When I get my money, I want me get my money. When I send my money to the person, I know so I get my money. My money, I want. I not argue with you. I not argue with you. My money, me want. Send back my money. Well, send me my money. You want to do a tit for tat and butter for fish pan intent I'm going to do the problem with you. Man is not my life and my salvation. If no man no want me and my relationship fit, me not have no blood clot problem. If Akeem Lee don't want Rose, I mean not have no problem. Why I'm still there? You can't go on? You can't blood clot. I'm tired of the whole of you know. I'm not want to transfer him today, you know. I seriously don't want to transfer him today. I 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 really don't want to transfer him today. A blood clots. I don't really want to transfer him today. The other day when Van over there wrap you up and I tell you about your D's and your T's and your anatomy about your sick pit and the things them, me never hear you come so strong. I don't want to really wrap up today, you know. I don't really want to wrap up today, you know. I don't want to wrap you up today. Worlddawg, you look one back and forth to build back yourself. Yeah. Y'all look one back and forth. That y'all look. Y'all look one back and forth. Y'all look somebody for in one back and forth argument with you. Me see it a coming on. Y'all look one back and forth argument. Me see it a coming. That's what you say. That's why you say Rose and Akim people them a come for me with Rose and Akim people them a come for me with them fake relationship because well, you know so when I say that me I go answer you. Y'all look one back and forth. You all look one back and forth on the net. For build back yourself. But when you understand Worlddawg means a change woman and you alone are gonna argue whether you're tight panty and your blood up pad we have on. Me not gonna argue with you. Send back my money, come give me now, please. Me not argue with you. Me not argue with you. Me not arguing with you. Y'all look one back and forth because the judgment when you and Yannick sit down and cast on the internet of your class are you not make the money out tight yet. You're still in the debts and bills. So y'all look one back and forth now. For me, so something today now. You come out tomorrow Monday morning for look something for talk about. For can't rank. That y'all look. Y'all look something for when tomorrow morning come, you can't have it for talk about so you can't rank. That's the way you really are look. I'ma sit through all of that. Screen a card page, gather it up because we not argue with she. Y'all look one back and forth. So tomorrow Monday morning when you wake up, you can't start pan me and laba. You don't need a back and forth. Anything we have to talk about your mouth, sir. Anything you want to talk out of your mouth, you come talk out of your mouth. Insecure about what? What me insecure about? Me don't owe you nothing. I tell you if you keep it, you come in on my phone, come in the back of chatting, and you send them my money for come on my party, you don't come. I know you never come. Me not argue with him. Me not argue with her, me not argue with her, me not argue with you. Y'all look one back and forth. Come in Monday morning now, you wake up now, and the bag of yeah. Me never come talk to my mother, fuck everybody. Me to come talk to my mother, the fuck everybody. Me never hide it. I got like a secret me to come hide. Me to come talk to Jakes, fuck everybody. Me been a talk it for last year. I want you know me I talk the one story. So you tell me that now, how you accept me on feel? Me I feel sometime away when I me talk it. You are talk about relationship and me I talk about relationship. I know I'm not mention about your mama coming, know your mama. I know no me not mention about your mama coming, don't know your mama. I know me not mention about your pitney because I don't know your pitney them. What are you saying, Miss Lady, Madam Sir? Woman, what you said to me? Suck pussy boy, what you said to me? Lick up batty Worlddawg, what you said to me? I don't mention about your mama because I don't know nothing about your mama. I don't mention about your pitney because I don't know nothing about your pitney them. What I've mentioned about, you say my relationship fake, I'm here to tell you about your real one. So the girl where disrespect Yannick for cannot pay your mortgage, you're going to live outside. Stick to the topic now. We walk argue with my fam. We before last when Ivan over there wrap you up and I tell you about your sick pitney, you died that story you died on that story there straight because if you have sent a threat to her, she can take it to the police station and lock up in a foreign. But Rose live we are foreign. Look, Rose live we are Jamaica. I wanna have Rose have the weak fence. Somebody were weak. What the blood clot me insecure about? Worlddawg for me at 14, but man I suck my pussy. What me insecure about? Worlddawg for me a blood clot 14 boy and I'm old. Me ever have a sucker tan. What you talk about? Insecure about what? And boy look out all my body. What you talk about? What are you talking about? Insecure about what? I calm and cool. I calm and cool. I'm gonna want this Akim in a way. Me a whole Lebanese, Jack of all blood clot trades. What are you talking about? You chase me up on the blood clot internet and I hold it like banana sense. And I play smart and I hold no sense. Me old jack of all blood clot shades. After me a 14 boy, I suck out the whole of me bumbo. What me insecure about? And me can't get boy silicone on my body. What kind of insecure? Me insecure in that. And me can't pay my bills. Tell me what the insecure about that. You use that pan Yannick with tack and Dakar body. That's phrase that you're going to use it pan Yannick with tack and Dakar body. You're not going to use it pan Rose. Because the only insecure girl going in the knife machine. Me never go there yet. Me proudly stand up with all of my have. Spin round so. And don't afraid. Proudly. Me proudly stand up with what I have. Proudly stand up with what I have. Spin round so. And don't afraid. Proudly. Because so God make me. When me blood clot insecure pan. Man, fuck the whole of we as woman. General we out and tell the blood clot things them. If Akim no blood clot want me, you never want Yannick. And that's the truth. If Akim no want me, you never want Yannick. And that's the truth. Because look how you do her pan ya. And the two name woman. It's the only thing that me big and she tack and dack. If Akim don't want me, you never blood clot want Yannick. Look how you do her. And tell her so she jacket and tore and water DNA from DNA and DNA and DNA. So me look, me never look for no daddy had available for none. Pussy don't ramp with me, you know. Me don't want to go on the matrix with it. Because I see where y'all look and me not go get it. Me not go do it. Me don't want to go on. You can't make me feel no type of way. I'm gonna trouble you. Me not trouble you. But you feel like you have some secret from blood clot me. 99% of we fuck man and man know why we are blood clot. And I've said to you that the time you take a word about my fake relationship, go worry about your real one where you have. Because I know say, Raya baby cannot pay off the mortgage for you not to sleep outside. Me not put in a depths. We are arguing for my phone. I not put in a depths. I don't make the bank sees nothing. It's not Rose. It's not Rosealee. So we wake up this morning and if you come back for me, I'm going to down you and pay. Because your mama fuck the... My mama walk and fuck the whole world. I never the secret and hide it. And my sister fuck too. You have... We's a fucker too low, fucker too five family. The only difference between them and me and them is not the same thing. Because I not fuck with them. My mother look at me big fuck out. Me I look at me medium fuck out. And my sister a little fuck out. Me never tell nobody, I don't know about your mama. But you know when I made the statement say relationship fake, you send call because you know Akim not going to answer. And I him you want to argue with, I him you really want to argue with long time ago. You want to argue with him long time ago, but him not going to answer you, so you throw jobs at Rose. Worlddawg, me ain't going to do this here, so. A cocky me suck. And so when it start suck cocky, we shall do it. Tell me where you're depend. It's cocky me suck. So, it's when you come out to my man with your suck cocky self, we shall argue over this blood clot like two suck cocky gal. Tell me when you're ready. Because would me suck. Tell me when you're ready, Mrs. Worlddawg. Mrs. World Girl, tell me when you're ready. It's cocky me suck. It's cocky me suck. It's cocky me blood clot suck. And true me know so you suck cocky too. We are going to argue like two suck cocky girl. Tell me when you're ready for play that ball game there. Tell me when you're ready for play that ball game there. Because as far as me can blood clot seed, TikTok all the whole of no body man. All you to get it. Your name World Fish. When you dip on top. Batty call upon your name to the whole of no body name. The whole of no name call upon Batty. For some reason, I don't know. So I don't know why when you fall off now, you exclude yourself out. Your name call upon Batty one whole heap of time. Then they say you're Rosealee there. You never see it all over think over here. Over and over and over and over. It's all over here. Someone know where you want to bring them out to before, you know. But, me don't want an argument with the lady. Why you come out tomorrow like two so cocky girl, I will kick the blood clot bucket. Yeah. I say any secret you offer me, you have to go drop it. Any secret you offer me, you have to go blood clot drop it. Yeah. Any secret you offer me, you have to go blood clot drop it. Because if Akima fuck me and don't want me, it's a film business. Not mine's. I hope a man fuck me and don't want me. And I hope a man me fuck and don't want. So it go vice versa. So any secret where you have for me, you come with it. Come with it, lady. Because you take my money for come to my party. Don't come. Tell me say you send my money. I tell you keep it. You're over here enough time. I play with it. You're over here throw blood clot shades. I'm going to hold it down like a G. Because you fall off. Want the back and forth so bad. Because if you're nobody ever not argue, so you can be able to look so cocky girl, nobody not go over there. We are coming on my blood clot for this early Sunday morning for. I'm not even blood clot, baby. Just brush my teeth and come here. How you want me to do one back and forth? Me and you not gonna do no back and forth. Lady Musgrave Road, Mrs. Stewart, with a tight G-string, we are gonna squeeze you. We are gonna squeeze under you. Me a bumper bigger like when I go argue over this blood clot, yeah. You hold a corner, me hold my lane. Simple. Cause what day you when Ivan here wrap you up and I tell you the details. I never see you send no threat. I never my earpods screen a call. I never did see you so loud either. You know, and anybody come for my kids and I'm finished with them. I saw you attack. That is how you're talking. Rest me. I'm tired of uno. Me no want you pa me. Rest me. Me not put in a hot seat. Me not put in a mess. Me not put in a debts. I'm not put in a sad life. You was once on top before. I wanna dip on top. You all play with Jamaican. You're a top ranker. You're the life pro. Remember, you know, bad mind, cause all of this, you know. When you did up on top, you're a life pro. You're a top ranker. You're a life pro. You're a top ranker. You're the subscription. You don't play with Jamaicans. You know who you play with? Ali them and Jeffrey Star them. You go like your things. You're not playing a match. You put on your whatever. You put on your whatever. Your wine. You do the things them. You do your thing over there and you make your blood clot money. Me never fast with you. A long time they both here. Me never fast with you. Never fast with you. Me never want to trouble you. Remember saying, you know, I work for money to make a daytime. Because I daily run coming in. I work every day I want to make money. Want to do want to make no money. I'm going to take a big old span lake with swimming pool. I'm going to go buy a Corvette. I'm going to go buy a Lambo blood clad Guinea. I'm going to go buy this. I'm going to go buy that. When you have people in an argument, you show off. The bad man, because when you have people in an argument, you show off. You jump and you carry them out the door. You create the excitement like one little worrying girl. You go on with yourself. So when you can't afford to live that life anymore, why you want to argue with me? That is my question to you. Because no, I'm not talking about your mama, because I don't know about your mama. If me even say suck your mama is a term everybody use. I don't call talk about your mama, because I don't know about your mama. I mean, you Ivan attack, say you pick the handicap on me now, but me don't even say it. Me don't even say it. Because I say me I go to you clean. Me I stick pan where you stick pan at the top. I reach the relationship pack with the pan. When did I rain over you? We never save your money. The whole I want to get in the term. I can't bother with. The whole I want to get in the term. You get your term so much. You get your term so much. Till all one time, you come and let me know, say, me if you get take TikTok one break. I'm saying I break it a block because I am me walk. Me say me nah break TikTok I am me walk. You get your term. You make your money, so what the bag of argument for? If I'm Jordan, me say kind of shaky. To me just say go boop. Till in the day and I'm way over favoritive. My money make over favoritive. You may never use TikTok one time at favoritive you use. You know what wrong with someone on hungry belly pie? Tell you what wrong with someone on dark shit pie. Uno forgot uno be. Uno forgot say nobody will live out of people pocket. Come in nobody in other people pocket live out of. You Worlddawg forgot that you use nobody, you live out of people pocket. So you say the hype get to you. And you feel like you are things. I say when a drop fall down, there's nobody to catch you up. Nobody to catch you up. You should have learned to save what you have. Them say show off, bring disgrace. One of the two hype. I better bring your mouth to me. Cause you can't go tell me say me shit bad feet hurt me cause the world know.